guys, welcome back to my channel Bell Fam. And if you don't know me, myself Bhavya, and this channel is all about good health, happiness, inner and outer beauty. So guys, if this is the first time you're watching my video, or if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can see all of my videos. Okay, so let's commence. Guys, today's video is all about those who are suffering from oily and acne prone skin, those who have so many pimples on their face, and those who are suffering from a long time. I have bought so many products for them. So guys, please ready for that. Okay, so guys, today I have bought so many products. The main product of this video is Good Vibes Neem and Tulsi Gel. Tan-ta-dan! You can see this product. This is Good Vibes Neem and Tulsi Gel, and as you know, Neem and Tulsi is a blessing for good health, for inner and outer beauty. You can use Neem every day, regularly, on your daily basis. If you have a deadly diseases like cancer, like you have arthritis problem, you have any other problem, you have a kidney problem, you can use you can take neem juice every day so that you can cure all of your diseases. And guys, neem is also very good for your skin. You all know about this. And tulsi is a blessing on earth. You know, God gives tulsi to us as a blessing. Tulsi is beneficial for everything, like for good health, for good skin, for everything. So guys, as you can see, this tub comes in a 50 grams and it costs around 175 rupees. And I will show you this product from inside. This is the product, guys. You can see I have used this product and I have finished one tub already of this. You can see the transparency of this product. This is a gel, Neem and Tulsi gel, pure gel, and I will show you. You can apply like this on your skin and it absorbs into your skin very easily. And guys, especially it smells great, like pure Neem and Tulsi. And guys, really I love this product. If you are new to my video, you can see my old videos. That is also for the acne and oily skin skincare. And I used to have so many pimples and so many small zits on my face. And after using this Neem and Tulsi gel, it reduced a lot. You can see I have still red marks on my face. You can see that. But guys, summers already came, and in summers you can use this product. It's very soothing and it's very refreshing. When you apply this gel on your face, you can feel thanda thanda, cool cool. So guys, really I love this product. And this product contains key ingredients like purified water, glycerin, and so many good ingredients, and olive oil, pure Neem and Tulsi. And the main thing is Good Vibes. They sell their products with full disclosure. So guys, you can buy this product, you can order this product from purple.com. And my second product is Good Vibes Grapeseed Facial Essence. You can see this is a grapeseed, Good Vibes Grapeseed Facial Essence. And this is also very good for the dry skin, combination skin, oily skin. They can also use this product. And grapeseed is very good for the skin, and it contains full of vitamin C. And I will tell you the benefits of this product. This is enriched with vitamin E, helps reduce pigmentation, consists of anti-inflammatory properties. Those who have a pigmentation, those who have a skin rashes on their skin, anti-inflammatory, they can use this product. So guys, I will show you. This is a very beautiful bottle. This is a very small, tiny bottle. It comes in a 10 ml, and this is a very cute bottle. You know, this comes in a blue color, as I love this color, and this is very transparent. You can see Good Vibes grape seed facial essence, and the color, because this bottle is in a blue color, because in this color you know, it remains very pure and it will not contaminate it. So if the color of the bottle is blue, then the product is very nice and pure from inside. So guys, this is a very small bottle, and I will tell you how to use this. It comes in a, you know, this type of bottle. I will show you this, and you know, you can use this on your skin like this. See guys, this is very transparent like a water, and it also absorbs into your skin easily, and it has a very light fragrance and aromatic fragrance. Lovely product. I will tell you how to use this product. After cleansing and toning your face, you have to take 2-3 drops while you sleep at night, and you can gently massage on your skin. It absorbs very easily, and when you wake up in the morning, you will feel very fresh, refreshing, soothing, and definitely if you use this product, you're gonna love this. Okay guys, and today's my third product is Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 Skin Glow Serum. As you can see, Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 Skin Glow Serum, and this bottle is also in a 10 ml bottle, and this costs around 225 rupees from purplle.com. You can order this product from purplle.com. Guys, this is like a very good product, and like I will show you the bottle from inside. It comes like this. It comes like this. This is also in a blue color bottle, as I told you before. Like, this color is very nice and it looks very good, and the product is also very good for the skin. As you all know that vitamin C is a very powerful ingredient for the skin, and it is very beneficial if you want to have glow on your face, if you want to fade your marks, acne marks, or any type of marks, pigmentation. Ascorbic is very good for the skin, and vitamin B3 niacinamide, that is also very good for the skin. Those who have enlarged pores, they can use this product. This product is very good for them. I will tell you the benefits. Infused with the skin restoring properties of vitamin B3, this serum improves the appearance of enlarged pores and treats uneven skin tone, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. Also rich in vitamin C, it stimulates collagen. You know what is collagen? That is very good for the skin, and that plumps your skin, that gives glow in your skin and production to give you a brighter, youthful complexion. So guys, and how to use this product? After cleansing, you have to take 2-3 drops of the serum, and you have to apply all over your face and gently massage onto the skin with your fingertips. So guys, I will show you. This is like a water gel, And see guys, this is like a very, you know, this is like a water, very transparent, and you can apply like this on your skin and gently massage. It absorbs into your skin very fast, very easily. And this also smells very nice. So guys, one more time I will show you the product. Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 Skin Glow Serum. Those who want to glow their skin, they can apply this serum, and within a few days or few months automatically their skin will glow. So guys, you can order this product from purplle.com. And my fourth product is, this is a blessing for those people who are suffering from oily and acne prone skin. Tan, tan, tan. You can see Good Vibes Tea Tree 100% pure essential oil. You all know that tea tree is a blessing for the oily and acne prone skin. So guys, this also comes in a 10 ml bottle, and I will show you from inside. This costs around 245 rupees, and this bottle comes like this. This bottle comes like this. This is also in a blue color bottle, transparent bottle, and the smell is amazing. If you want your room aromatic, so you can do one thing. In a hot water, you can put 2-3 drops of tea tree in a hot water, and it will smell very nice, aromatic, and this fragrance very well. And this is a very nice product. And how to use this product is, you don't use directly on your skin, because this is a pure tea tree oil. It may burn your skin. You can use this product with other carrier oil, like you can use 1-2 drops of this essential oil and 1-2 drops of almond oil or coconut oil. You can use sesame oil. You can use any other carrier oil. So, and you have to apply small amount on your acne or on your pigmentation, so it will improve your acne, your pigmentation. This is very good for anti-inflammatory skin, and this is very good for those who have allergy on your skin. So guys, you can go for it. This is an awesome product and I love this product. So guys, today's video is all about the Good Vibes products. I have already reviewed and I have already used this product, and after using this product I am reviewing this. So guys, if you love this video, and if you want me to make more videos like this and give information for the skin glow, for the skin repair, and for the skincare routine, and for the beauty tips, you can message me below, and I will give you the tips, and I will give you the genuine reviews whatever I have used the product. If I like this, definitely I will get back to you and I will review about the products. So guys, if you like my channel, if you like my video, please guys don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that you can receive all of my videos and you can see all of my videos every time. Okay guys, so guys, love you, bless you, keep loving me and love the planet. Okay, bye.